In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list of sequential dates in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want your date list to appear. This is a very useful skill for building schedules, calendars, project plans, attendance sheets, and any spreadsheet where dates need to follow a clear pattern. Excel gives you a few simple ways to do this, depending on whether you want daily dates, weekdays only, weekly intervals, monthly dates, or yearly dates. Let's start with the easiest method, which is autofill. In any cell, type your starting date. For example, you can enter 1/1/2026. Once the date is in place, select that cell. Then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. When your cursor is in the right spot, click and drag downward or across the row. Excel will automatically continue the sequence with consecutive dates. This is the quickest option when you want a simple day-by-day list. Another method is to use a formula. If your first date is in cell A2, click into A3 and type equals A2 plus 1. In Excel, that formula looks like this, A2 plus 1. Press Enter, and Excel will display the next date. Then copy that formula downward to keep building a continuous list. This method is especially helpful if you want your dates to update based on the value in the first cell. If you want to skip weekends and create weekday-only dates, use the workday function. If your starting date is in A2, enter equals workday A21 in the next cell. This tells Excel to return the next business day, automatically skipping Saturdays and Sundays. For weekly dates, use a formula that adds 7 days at a time. If A2 contains your first date, enter exce A2 plus 7 in the next cell. This creates a sequence 1 week apart, such as 1/1/2026, 1/8/2026, and 1/15/2026. To create monthly dates, use the edate function. Type exce edate A2.1 to return the same day in the following month. For example, a starting date of 1/15/2026 would continue as 2/15/2026 and 3/15/2026. And for yearly dates, you can use either exce edate A2012D or exdate year A2, month A2, day A2. Both options move the date forward by 1 year. Once you know these methods, you can quickly build almost any date sequence you need in Excel with accuracy and very little manual work.